Oh, good. It says their names.
Are those Terry Potter stuff, Wilbert? What are they? Is it Terry Potter or not?
69 degrees, guys.
The basic. Ooh,
Is that
a Gorgon. Don't look at her. Ooh, I got Godzilla. I think. See if he goes down the steps.
Lucky Lou.
That's what they say he does.
Oh, Mommy, I got a chupacabra.
Uh-huh.
A chupacabra.
Look, Dad.
And then her.
Dogs.
Oh, gosh, I'm sick of dogs anymore.
And then it's a cyclops.
So tired of dogs, guys. Can't you guys have cats?
Dogs.
What's this? Oh, here's the Hydra. Mommy.
Where'd you go?
And then here's the Minotaur.
What's this, Lord?
That's awesome.
It's not
Here's the
bad.
Cerberus.
You go like this.
Wait, I know it's so
It
squishy.
keeps your, you know what, that's what
That's
they
a-
did. For people who play piano, they used to get their fingers strong.
Are these plastic
Yeah.
monsters and such, Wilbert?
Oh.
Marky, let's check
Bubble
outside
bath?
and see if Mommy got her bike back. What? You want to see if Mom got her bike
Go
back?
over there.
I asked.
Hey, that looks like C.S. Lewis, like the, what's your Care Paramel
I
almost.
know. I was about to say, I was like,
Right?
cramps? Yeah.
Oh, look, Will, what's that?
I got tons of this. Oh, these are new pajamas.
What's that?
How nice of him. Now, let's see how this works. Oh, look. Macintosh windows.
That's odd.
So that's something you can put on all our computers or not, Daddy? What is it? Do you stick it in and play it like a Wii game, or do you download it like WordPerfect or something?
Probably has a disc inside the box, doesn't it?
Yeah, it has it right here.
You're lucky to get Macintosh, Wilbert.
Huh?
You're lucky to get it for Mac. I thought it'd be for Windows.
It's for Windows and for Mac. He probably knew. I can put on that
Okay.
Can we open one from Nana and Pop?
Are you crazy? You got all this stuff to play with it, and Aunt and Papa coming later.
They want to see you guys open up gifts. That's all the
Can we
fun.
open one with swish, swish, swish from
Yeah.
you and Dad?
Um,
Sway, 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 not swish, swish. You want me to open this one, Herbert?
What is it?
It says shipped from an island far, far away.
Is it from Nana Pop?
No,
Who's it from?
It's for both of us to eat her.
it's from you and Will, I think.
It's from, oh, it is. Okay, yeah, it is. Oh, it is, yeah. Okay.